Citizens for Justice Manipur today declared that it is time to review the merger agreement of 21st September 1949, stating that the Indian Union has failed to deliver fundamental rights and a peaceful, harmonious Manipur. Addressing the media at Manipur Press Club, Citizens for Justice Manipur Chairman and Senior Advocate Mani said that Manipur's development was stalled for many years due to the fact that it took a long time to become a full-fledged state from a Part C state, then as a territorial council. Even as a full-fledged state today, he said that people remain dissatisfied, deprived of rights, and suffering under a conflict that was neglected for more than 2 years. The organization strongly condemned the recent ambush on Assam Rifles convoy, stressing that conflicts must be resolved through dialogue and not violence. Mani added that a memorandum has been submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the governor, highlighting the issue of illegal infiltrators and calling for a high-level national commission. He welcomed the center's assurance of forming the commission and urged immediate relief and assistance for displaced persons still living in relief camps.
In 8 of the civil administration, civil power, Article 355, list 1 entry to A of list 1. Yun list 2A the young to give Matungina, Palasaka, step on the Sipai Tajalaga, Matin Panabatu, Manipuri Naharo Sinda, UPSC, Tabahapo, they had a production beginning, high the Taudre. Aluga Manipur Punichi Janang Chegani administration Togani in Togi Tonanga private property of the Sukakara. Customary to Nataba, the Mamsi, Yan Yangani, Higher than Vitaba, Yangwapa, Masilidona, Bartegi to Kain Tabata, the Bigu of Natabada, Maza, Illuminse, Amukhana, Yangina Ban, Sarkaki, President, Taxin Bihimato Tare.